Osmo Action 6, playing back and transfer. The camera has built-in storage and supports microSD cards for storage expansion. Visit the DJI website to view a detailed list of compatible microSD cards. Enter the control center to check the storage information. With a microSD card inserted, all the images can be stored to the microSD cards. Tap Storage to format internal storage or the microSD card. Playback. In the camera live view, tap the playback icon to preview the last viewed or captured footage. When playing back the video, long press any blank area on the screen to play at double speed. Tap the rhombus icon to mark highlights. This helps to quickly locate specific moments and reduce the time to find highlights during post-editing on the app. Tap the corresponding icon to mark the footage as a favorite or to delete the footage. Tap the icon in the top right corner and move the slider to adjust the playback volume. Swipe up and down on the screen to view the photos and videos. Tap the icon in the top left to enter the grid preview page. Tap the icon in top left to go back to the live view. Transferring footage. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile device, and then run the DJI Mimo app. Tap the camera icon on the home screen, and then click Connect on corresponding device name. Once the camera is connected to the app, tap the album icon to preview photos and videos. Tap the download icon to download photos and videos. Multiple photos and videos can be downloaded to the mobile device at the same time. The app also supports editing and post-processing of footage, and the edited clips can be exported as the final video. Transferring files to a mobile device. For mobile devices that support OTG connection, the files can be transferred from the camera to the mobile device with USB mode. Connect the camera to a mobile device with the provided cable. When connected, view and transfer photos and videos via the device album or file management. If the camera cannot automatically recognize the mobile device, swipe down from the edge of the screen and enter the control menu. Tap Settings, USB mode, and use the provided cable to connect the camera to the device. Transferring files to a computer. Power on the camera and connect it to a computer using the provided cable. When connected to a computer, a pop-up will appear. Tap Transfer File, USB, to download the files from the camera to the computer.